Prahlad Maharaj is Nitya Siddha. He is not ordinary sadhan siddha, or of course ultimately there is no difference. Either sadhan siddha or kripa siddha or Nitya Siddha. But we should always remember that Prahlad Maharaj is not ordinary devotee, he is Nitya Siddha. Therefore, immediately he developed the transcendental symptoms, Ashtasiddhi. Ashtasiddhi we have read in the nectar of devotion, from the ecstasies. Ekagra manasa. Ekagra manasa, with full attention. For us to bring that full attention may take hundreds and thousands of years. Full attention. But Prahlad Maharaj, immediate. 5 years old boy. Because he is Nitya Siddha. Always we should remember that we cannot imitate. The Prahlad Maharaj has immediately Kagra Manusa, and I shall become also. No, that is not possible. May be possible, but that is not the way. Just like in our country, perhaps you know, there was a poet, Rabindranath Tagore. He got many distinctions from the Oxford University. He never went to school, but he got the title doctor. Dr. Rabindranath Tagore. And if you think that I shall also get doctorate without going to school, that is foolishness. That is expression. Similarly, don't try to imitate, follow the general course, sadhan siddhi, the regulative principles you must follow as instructed in the Shastra. Therefore there are so many Shastras, and Guru is guide. We must know it. Even if you are Nitya Siddha or Kripa Siddha, you should not neglect the general regulative principles. That is very dangerous. Don't try to do that. We must follow. Nitya, just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, God. And he is accepting Guru. Who is his Guru? He is Guru of everyone. But he has also accepted Ishwar Puri as his Guru. Krishna himself, he accepted his Guru, Sandipuni Muni, teaching us that without Guru you cannot make any advance. Adu Gurvasayam. The first business is to accept Guru. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigachet. Don't think that I am so advanced, I may not require any Guru, I can do without Guru. That is nonsense. That is not possible. Must. Tad vijnanatham. Tad vijnanam is spiritual science. Must approach. Gurumeva avigachet. Samitpani sodriyam brahmanishtam. Tasmad gurum prapaddeta. Jigyasu sreya uttamam. If you are actually serious to understand the transcendental science, the spiritual knowledge, you must have Guru. Tasmad gurum prapaddeta. Jigyasu sreya uttamam. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Hamara Ajnai Guru Haiya. Taro is this. Guru cannot be self-made. No. There is no such single instance throughout the whole Vedic literature. Now there are so many rascals that are becoming guru without any authority. That is not guru. He must be authorized. Evam parampara praptam. As soon as the parampara is lost, sakalina juvanasta parantava. Immediately finished. The spiritual potency finished. You can dress like a guru, you can talk big words, but it will never be effective. These are the signs. So Prahlad Maharaj is our guru. He is not ordinary. Don't think that he is a 5-year-old boy, he has no knowledge. No. He is perfect, Nitya Siddha Guru, and we should always pray for his mercy. That is Vaishnavata. Vaishnava Thakur Tomara Kukur Boliya Janoh More. This is the humble way. Oh Vaishnava Thakur, all Vaishnavas are Thakur. They are not ordinary person. Thakur, that's what I say. Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So, Vaishnava, Prahlad Thakur. We should always pray, Vaishnava Thakur Tomara Kukur Boliya Jano More. There is a song of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. My dear Vaishnava Thakur, kindly accept me as your dog. Vaishnava Thakur. As the dog, by the indication of the master, does everything, very obedient. We have to learn this lesson from the dog, how to become faithful to the master. That is the instruction. In everything you can learn something. Everyone, therefore, Mahabhagavad, they accept everyone as guru to learn something. But actually, from the dog we can learn this art, how to become faithful at the risk of life. There are many instances dogs have given their life for the master. So, we should be dog to the Vaishnava. Charya Vaishnava Seva Nistar Preche Keva. Vaishnava Aparad is a great offense. You know, Ambarish Maharaj, he was a devotee and he, Dudvasa, he was very proud of his yogic power and he committed offense at the feet of Ambarish Maharaj and he was punished by Krishna by sending this Sudarshan Chakra, and he wanted help from so many Brahma, Vishnu. He could go directly to the Vishnu Loka, but he was not pardoned. He had to come to Vaishnava Ambarish Maharaj, fall down at his lotus feet, and he, of course, Vaishnava immediately excused him. The Vaishnava Aparad is great offense. Hati Mata. So you should be very careful about Vaishnava Aparad. Acchesh Vishnu Siladi Gurusu Naramati Vaishnava Jati Buddhi. The Vaishnava Jati Buddhi is also another offense, great offense. Similarly, to think of Guru as ordinary human being, that is also offense. To think of deity as made of metal, stone, these are offenses, sanaraki. So, we should be very careful about the regulatory principles and follow the footprints of Vaishnava, Mahajana, Jaina, Sagata. Don't think the Prahlad Maharaj is ordinary boy. We should learn from Prahlad Maharaj how to advance in devotional service. Thank you very much.